Welcome again to our channel, Project Zapworks. Our topic for today is this one, a master cable lockout. This is useful for mechanical and electrical system. It is multi-purpose, and if you bought this, I'm sure after 5 to 7 years, the, the nylon plastic for this cable is going to be brittle and cannot be used. So it's just like this. If you like this, put it in like that, so to lock it, it does not lock. So the solution to fix this, surely you can buy a cable for this one, but it's a waste of money. Buy a nylon cover for this. Where to buy? Drugstore. This is a type of a dextrose hose, exactly fit to this cable. Let's check it. If you check the end of this cable, you should fix the sharp edge. You can use a plier to fix it. And it's good. Get your dextrose hose. Use the longest area. Remove the hose. And this guy actually fits on this hose. For easier application, use an oil, baby oil. Put it inside. Easier application, baby oil. Surely I can use this more faster if there's no camera. Oh, so slippery. I can sing for you, but nah. See, it's moving. See, it's almost done. See, hold it. If you cannot see this video, it's very hard for you to put this cable inside the hose because it's what do you call it? It's tight. So you have to hold this like this. Again, hold this one. Pull the nylon, then release. See, it moves. Pull the nylon, release. See, it's almost done. Again, watch it. Hold this tight, pull the nylon hose, then release. See, goes out. And you have your lockout cable repair. Let's try it again. Let's check the arrow, put it inside, oops, open it, put it inside, and try to lock it. See? 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 It's locked. Anyway, I just told you this is very handy, especially if there's you have locking some multiple breakers, like example of the multiple breakers like this. So this one, I just mentioned this on my first blog that the standard padlock does not fit to it, so you rather use the cable lockout. Just put it through. Anyway, if this is much longer cable, you can just cut it. The thing is, if you cut it, cannot join it together again. So just this one. Yeah, okay, and roll it. This one. Oh, this one. It's much more cleaner. See? This one. Bear with me, it's almost done. Anyway, this one is coming out easily, but you can use a reheat this one so that, or reheat all of it on a gas stove so that it compresses, and the nylon is not easily, the nylon hose does not easily go out. Okay, let's fix it. See, you can loop it like that, but let's do it like this. And lock it. Where's the arrow? There's the arrow. Open it. Then lock it in. So instead of using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 padlocks, you can use this one instead to lock it. And that's it. You're good to go. And thank you for watching Project Zapworks.